In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by clicking on Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, hit this plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, hit Files. Then you can tap on Audio at the top, select one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. After finding your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you prefer to add a video one, select the Gallery section instead of Files. Click on your video. And if you see this kind of pop-up, trim it a little by hitting Trim. Picking section to trim and selecting Done at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that my video was added as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!